Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you how to collect our targeted company's decision makers information using BuiltWith and Apollo. If you watch this video up to end, I will show you everything clearly. Or if you want me to help you with providing your targeted company's decision makers information or technology users companies or e-commerce stores decision makers information, I can help you with that. If you want my services, I mentioned my contact details in the video description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Not only targeted companies decision makers information, if you are looking for any kind of B2B data and web scraping services like LinkedIn data scraping, if you have any targeted search results, I will scrap all the results and I will provide you possible verified email IDs and direct dial numbers, or LinkedIn pages scrapping, or like cold calling list, targeted B2B cold calling list. Also, I can help you with that. Or if you are looking for Instagram scrapping, if you have any competitors or relevant profiles, we can scrap their followers, publicly mention email IDs and contact numbers too. Our social media influencers information we can collect based on their location, followers count, and their industry. Or e-commerce stores decision makers information, or e-commerce information, e-commerce stores information, or local business data like local dentists, plumbers, real estate agents. We can have a chance to collect information like this. Or angel investors information, that too based on their previous investment history, number of investments, or number of targeted location investments, like we can collect like that. Or recently funded companies decision makers information, like last month funded companies or this month funded companies decision makers information I can provide you. Or like any kind of B2B data like custom web scraping like yellow pages, help, like any kind of B2B data and web scraping services, I can help you with that. As I said, I'm mentioning my contact details in the description box. If you want my services, you can message me directly on WhatsApp. Now let us jump into the build with first. Suppose for example, if you can see here, this is a build with website. Already I have subscribed build with subscription. So once we have a subscription, we can access all the data. So suppose for example, here once first I'm going to these tools. So then after I'm going to the keyword list. So once I go to the keyword list, if you can see here, create a list of such specific keywords on the home page. Suppose for example, here I'm just clicking SaaS because I need SaaS companies actually. So that's why I'm clicking SaaS here. So once I click enter, so now we can see SaaS websites. There are 50,000 plus SaaS websites actually. So now you can see here, if you can scroll down a little bit down, so we can download all our targeted companies actually. Suppose for example, if you want 50K, we can download in one click. Or if you want particular country based SaaS companies, so we can also have a chance to download like that. If I scroll down a little bit, if you can see here SaaS website in United States, I'm just simply clicking that one. See, report will generate actually here. Now what we need to do is we can simply go to here. Suppose here I already have generated here previously. So once I click that one, if you can see US based SaaS websites, there are 6,000 plus actually. Now I simply click export. So once I click export, so now you can see here, we can simply download the report actually. So I'm simply clicking download the report. So once we download the report, we can have a chance to see like this. Suppose for example, if you can see here, domain name and their industry, like how much money they are earning, how much money their technology they are spending, like their possible company email, company number, the social media URLs. So we have location and which technology they are using, which hosting they are using. We have all other information actually. So now we have targeted companies here. So what we need is we need these companies decision makers information, possible decision makers information. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just simply copying this all the companies information. So once I copy, I'm going to here apollo.io now. So once I go to the apollo.io, so now here if you can see I have filtered my targeted filters actually here. Job title CEO, founder, owner and co-founder. My targeted location USA. So an email status should be verified and likely to engage. Now what I'm going to do is now I need these companies decision makers, right? Now if you can see here, there is a company filter. So once I go to the company filter, so now here include and exclude. Now I can have a chance to include these domains here. So now I'm including all the domains. So once I include these domains, I'm clicking save and search. So here once I click save and search, so now if you can see here, these results will change actually. Now you can see Apollo have like 1000 data, 1.1K data based on these domains, CEOs, founders and co-founders, owners information. So now we can simply download this information actually. Now what I'm going to do is I'm selecting all. So once I select all, click apply. So once I click apply, everything will be select actually. So once we select everything, then we can simply download actually. We can simply click the export. So once we click the export, so we can see here export all emails or export verified email IDs. Now and just simply click the export record. So once we click the export report, you can have a chance to see all this information. Like you can see here, first name, last name, job title. So owner, founder, CEO, president, and co-founder. So we have company name, we have possible email IDs. So, and we have all other information like seniority level, department. So company phone number, we can have a chance to see all other company social media URLs, like the location, so which technologies they are using, and SEO description. So annual revenue, possible revenue. So we have all this information here. See, we just simply use these tools actually. Like, so why we are using build with this? We need especially our targeted companies actually. So we don't have any filters like SAS filter on the Apollo filters. Like we can use keywords, but if we can use SAS keyword, we might end up with some irrelevant data. So that's why we downloaded data from build with. Then after we have utilized Apollo data. So now we simply here collected our targeted data from build with. Then after we have utilized Apollo to collect this company's decision makers information. So hopefully you'll understand, right? So this is a simple process. If you have these tools access, so we can simply play with around actually. So hopefully you'll understand this process. Like as I said, if you want my services, you can also directly approach me. As I said, like you can directly contact me through WhatsApp, or if you want like other data services like LinkedIn data scrapping, Instagram data scrapping, or cold calling list, Instagram influencers information, or e-commerce reports, or technology users reports, or recently funded companies, investors information, or like any kind of web scraping services, like publicly mentioned data web scraping services, I can also provide you that. So like if you want any of these services, you can also directly contact me. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.